Hello, Emily Gibbons here. Thanks so much for watching this week's video message. I am here to say, first of all, thank you so much for subscribing to the Literacy Nest YouTube channel, but to also talk about something brand new. All right, so you may or may not know about the Literacy Nest desktop application Word List Builder. So Word List Builder was an app that was created for computers about 5 years ago, and it has really been a wonderful time-saving tool. You can search using a very unique search engine for words by specific phonics or spelling skills or even morphological concepts. You can save the words to folders, and then the cool part is being able to import those words into what we call in Word List Builder templates. Maybe they'll be in flashcards, maybe they'll be in game format. Whatever it is, there's a really big variety of games in there. The one thing I notice with Word List Builder members sometimes is really trying to come up with ideas for using the different templates. So what we did is come up with a game and activity manual. So this is the manual right here. Now I have a bound version of it in my hand so I can give you some examples of what that looks like. So in the manual, what we did was break down what the different templates were and put those in the table of contents with some page numbers. And when you go to a specific section, then you're going to get some examples using some photos of what that might look like, and then a huge list of ideas for variations. So for instance, if you're using the bingo template, here are a bunch of different ideas for using that. If you were using spinner games, here are some examples of using those. We really tried to give a lot of photo examples and then show you different ways that you could vary them. So for instance, right here, there's a couple of different game boards being shown as examples. And then we give some ideas or game directions. So when you're feeling stuck and you make this template and you're wondering, how can I vary this or differentiate it perhaps for my own students? This manual is an excellent, at the back cover. This manual is a really, really valuable tool that you want to have right beside you all the time. I'm going to show you just a couple of other examples here. So for instance, some of the shape templates that we have, if you want to use them, for instance, like in a memory game or on a pocket chart or to match with one of the game boards that we have. Here are some ways that you can do that. We also have a section if you're using them for word sorts, the different sorts that you can try out. So if you're wondering, how do I get a copy of this manual? Great question. So if you are a Word List Builder member, then you get this manual. So what happens is when you sign up, you get the first 2 weeks for free, and you'll get a couple of emails from me. In one of the emails, you will see a link to the manual to download. So it is a printable PDF that you can print out, and if you wanted, you can bind it like this. However, if you are in the Word List Builder Facebook group, then I have some fun giveaways from time to time in there where I do give away bound copies of this. But all members definitely get the digital version so you can look at it, download it, or print it out yourself. So let me know what you think of this Word List Builder game and activity manual. We really hope that it just sparks ideas for things to do with your students to keep them fresh, exciting, and engaging, and to also just have a lot of fun in learning in your intervention sessions. So we'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.